Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm giving you a double header. One, sinking funds, cash stuffing using my side income, and two, stuffing my cash clips for my weekly expenses. If this is something that interests you, keep watching. All right guys, so let's jump into this video. First up, I have my coins that I've saved, and I will be dumping them into my coin jar. And as you know, most people are saving their coins and will cash them in at the end of the year. I'll probably cash mine in more towards October, November, and then whatever I've saved, I can use it towards Christmas shopping or my birthday. Okay, next is emptying out my wallet. First, let me get my clips that I will be using. So 4th of July is fast approaching. Anyone have any plans for 4th of July? I am actually going to Florida to visit my daughter. I am missing a cash clip. Okay, found it. I am going to be visiting my daughter in Florida as well as my mom. And she recently moved down there. She has about 3 more classes to complete before she graduates college. So does that make me an empty nester, so to speak? I mean, she lives with her dad in Florida. She'll come and visit. My son, who's 28, lives with his girlfriend and their baby. So I'm 47. Does that really, am I considered an empty nester? Drop down in the comments and let me know what you think. I mean, I'm loving it. Sometimes the house is a little quiet, but I have my peace of mind and I know where my things are. So it's bittersweet. And when my grandbaby comes over, I play with her and there's laughter in the home, and then she goes home. So I guess that is the life of an empty nester. Let's get into it. Okay, so first up, I started putting my money in my tray, and I'm just gonna combine both money. Well, let me say this. Actually, no. Let me do sinking funds separate because I need to tally up the total of how much I earned. Okay, so let's put this aside and let's do this. Hopefully you can see that right here. So for groceries, since I am going out of town, I'm not going to do my usual $100 for groceries. So I'm only going to do $50. Actually, let me do, okay, let me do 2 5s. Now, 20, 40, 45, 50. I already went to the grocery store and used my debit card prior to this video, so I'm going to give back 25 because I actually spent $24.57. So for the next week and a half or a few days, I will have $25 for grocery. I'll put that aside. Next is gas, which gas I lowered as well because I won't be driving my car, and that is a transfer to my other checking account because I get gas at Sam's, and that's going to be $50. Restaurant or takeout is going to be $30. So I will do 20, 30 for takeout. Personal is going to be 25, which personal is basically money that I use to do my nails. And these are my nails. I just get the gel overlay. So I have $40 left over in my personal cash clip. So I'm going to add 25. So now I have 20, 40, 65. And last up is spend, and spend is gonna get 30 and 20, 30. And this is just like miscellaneous. If I see something I like, I might need to increase this because I have a confession. Lately, there is one person that I watch a lot on TikTok for fashion. I love her style. Her name is Julia Marie, and she shops at local stores like H&M, Zara, Target, and every time she posts an outfit, I fall in love with it and I go to the store and buy it. So needless to say, I need to do a video of what TikTok made me buy. I think I might do that. Drop down in the comments and let me know if you would be interested in something like that. I know this is a budgeting video, but I'm going to be doing some lifestyle videos as well. So yes, drop down in the comments. Let me know if that's something that interests you. I might even have to do a cash clip for clothing. I've seen people do that, and I can understand why, because it limits you and you're not out there swiping. Okay, so that is it. And for my cash clips, I will put those back into my wallet, and this is done. Next will be my sinking funds and using my side income, which this was the week of the 14th through the 20th. And I just want to make sure I'm in frame. So for Uber Eats, I did $193.31. DoorDash, I did $28.75. And Instacart, I did $79.44. It's a total of $301.50. Okay. Okay, so let's start off with, well, let me put my money into my tray. And this is what I have left over from my cash envelopes. I keep saying envelopes. My cash clips for the week, bi-weekly. So whatever's left after everything will go to Debt Snowball. Okay, so first up is car maintenance, and car maintenance is going to get $30. Okay, so that's 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 164. Refrigerator is going to get $10 this week. It's 10, 50, 100, 150, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 500, 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So $530. You saw I put through that little, if you saw it, drop down in the comments and let me know. 30. Okay. Next up is Christmas, and Christmas will be getting $25. 20. 5. So now I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. 275. My goal is 500. So just rolling along. Next is vacation, and I'm debating if I should take this money with me, but I don't know, we'll see. So vacation is getting 25. So now I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. So 259. And last, let's see, is gifts. And gifts, all the people that I gift to already had birthdays, so the next holiday won't be until Christmas. So I'm going to pause on the gifts and probably start again towards the end of the year. So gifts right now, left over, I have $4 after Father's Day. So I'm just going to put that into my dollar envelope here. Okay, and now the remaining money, ooh, this is going to be nice. Okay, so the remaining money is going to be going into my debt snowball. I'm not going to count it. I'll probably, now that I'm going out of town, I will probably try and do another video on early next week, because I leave on Wednesday and I'm not bringing any equipment with me. So I'll try to do it early next week, my debt snowball payment, because it is at the end of the month. I think that's what I'll do. So I'll do a debt snowball payment. Then I can show you my journey and what I've paid off and what's left. So again, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for my next video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.